Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is the kick-off activity of the PNP NHU The Biggest Loser Challenge. To start with, may we request everyone to please rise for the invocation to be officiated by Police Senior Superintendent Diody Barret, Director, Chaplain Service. Sir.
Let's put ourselves in the holy presence of God. Most loving God, we glorify you as we gather this afternoon in this kick-off activity of the Biggest Loser Challenge. May this event inspire all the participants to strive not only to have a healthy body, but also a sound mind and a pure heart. Bless this afternoon event, Lord, and guide us always. Be with us and continue to protect us always. We ask this in your mighty name. Amen.
Please be seated, sir. At this point, may we request the Director of the Headquarters Support Service, Police Chief Superintendent Benito C. Estipona, to give his welcome remarks.
Thank you.
Hello. The Deputy Chief PNP for Operations, Police Deputy Director General Leonardo Arias Espina, sir. The Director for Human Resource and Doctrines Development, Police Director Alex Paul Monteagudo, sir. The Deputy HRDD, Chief Superintendent Discatado. Other senior officers, good afternoon. This appears to be an exceptional afternoon today as we embark on the kick-off ceremony of the Biggest Loser Challenge. Like the TV program with the same title in the past, this activity aims of keeping ourselves physically fit, mentally alert, and emotionally stable to perform our duties and responsibilities as enforcers of the law and servants and protectors of the people. Do not be deceived by the name with which this activity is called. Came here to lose. Please remember that we are all here this afternoon to lose nothing else but our extra weight and extra fats, as well as the negative attributes and attitudes which hamper us from carrying out our sworn duties of rendering serbisyong makatotohanan to our countrymen. In this activity, therefore, the biggest loser will emerge as the biggest winner, because the more you lose those excess pounds and negative attributes, the more capable you will become to effectively and efficiently perform your duties as policemen. On that note, I welcome all of you to this kick-off ceremony. Let us all make the most out of it. Thank you and good afternoon.
A background of the Biggest Loser Challenge activity and the presentation of participants, may we request the Deputy Director of the HRDD, Police Chief Superintendent Lindel Alpuerto Desquitado, sir.
Our Deputy Chief PNP for Operations, Police Deputy Director General Leonardo Arias Espina, sir. Our Director of the Human Resource and Doctrine Development, Police Director Alex Paul Monteagudo. The Director of the SSS, Police Chief Superintendent Benito Estipona, sir. Other police officers present, members of the PNP, magandang hapon sa ating lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, participants, please allow me to give you a brief background of this very significant activity which we call the Biggest Loser PNP Edition. In coordination with the Headquarters Service Support
came up with the motivational weight loss program with physically fit in performing their respective police functions. The following will be the mechanics of this program. The registered participants who I will be introducing later. The winner will be declared based on the total percentage of weight loss record from the starting weight to that mean that you are the biggest, you have the biggest poundage loss, pero i-minus kahit na mahigit lang yung na-lose na pounds, pero nag-start siya na malit din. So, in case of the tie, the prize will be given the biggest away those who struggled ahead in order to win this challenge. And now, may I present to you the challengers who will compete, lose from the DPRM PO3, Milandro Bungat Jr. From the Directorate for Intelligence, STO2 Provencio E. Delcano Jr. From the Directorate for Operations, STO1 Marlon D. Manachea. From the Directorate for Logistics, PO1 Memelon A. Yanpon. From the DPL, STO1 Ronald V. Herman. From the Directorate for Controllership, STO1 Domingo Ariel S. Bermudez. From the VIVM, PO3 Rosemary G. Prades. P. Marabon. From the DHRBB, ST1 Robert B. Lumade. From the DICTM, PO2 Ernesto I. Salazar. From the DICO Eastern Mindanao, STO2 Mary Jane Season. From DICO Western Mindanao, Carlo SQ1 Carlo A. Molina. DICO Visayas is represented by PO3.
Bilisan natin para para matuloy na yung basketball. Arnold?
Yes, sir.
Kasama ka rito?
Yes. No, sir.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Tora, I'd like to deliver the message of the Chief PNP for you. First, let me congratulate all the participants of the Biggest Loser Challenge. This competition is not merely a contest for the different participating personnel, but a vital part of our strategic focus, Code P 2013 and beyond, towards the effective implementation of PNP Patrol Plan 2030, which is our roadmap for real and lasting transformation. It is our responsibility to maintain the finest physical and mental fitness, not only to assure the safety and well-being of our people, but also for us to always be ready to protect and defend our community, our family, and ourselves from harm. This challenge also aims for the maintenance of our effectiveness and efficiency in performing our duties and responsibilities, and as an effort to improve our endurance, strength, and flexibility. Nakalagay dito kanina, and accuracy. Baka hindi nakasama yung accuracy. To all the participants, keep up your enthusiasm and continue training in pursuit of having a healthy and strong physique. Let us always aim high in accomplishing the goals and objectives of our organization. Let us be strong in the face of all challenges which threaten our nation's security, peace, and safety of our people. Lastly, to all the participants, may the healthy body and sound mind you will gain this challenge reflect your commitment to service, honor, and justice. Lastly, baka may mga gusto pang sumama. The floor is open. Marami ako nakikita dito mas karapat-dapat na contestant. Hindi ko na babanggitin, pero open naman ito. Secretly magparehistro kayo. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. We shall now proceed to the next part of the program, which is the calisthenics.
Chess tayo. Wala ba tayong series? Tulad na lang natin muna yung timbang nila kasi transfer na lang natin para mabilis. Board 3.